Many of you here. Okay, I hope to see many superheroes and monsters. Who are the superheroes? Superheroes? Monsters? Oh, see, there's more monsters than superheroes. Well, very, very good. I think it's a very special event. How are you? Hello. Okay, I think it's a very special event. While Halloween may not be something that originates from this part of the world, but I think it's also an occasion for friends, for families, parents and children to come together, have some fun. I think we go for it for the fun, the adventure, and perhaps a bit of unknown and maybe a horror. I think there's a haunted house set up as well. I think it'll be very exciting. So I hope all the kids, together with parents and whoever here, have a great time, and also take part in the other activities organized by the YEC, which I think is not so scary or so as equally interesting as this. So I hope to see more of you here at the CC events, and I wish you all have a very wonderful evening and a great time. Thank you very much. Thank you.